So the first thing you do when you look at Salesforce is you go, what do the people have? So for instance, here, this is me. You see here the typical things, the GMT, what time zone you're in. Do you have a one-time pass? Are you connected? Am I Lightning login? Right? And that's important when you enable Lightning. You can enable Lightning for all. If you enable it, it enables for all standard users, but not non-standard users. So here you can set up Lightning with mobile push set of notifications, etc. Right? And here it's important. I don't have a role assigned. I'm a Salesforce administrator. Roles then will determine what happens. I'm active. Marketing user means you can import Excel leads. Knowledge means you can start tagging stuff. And the Service Cloud. Service Cloud is the call center, right? But we don't know if we have a Service Cloud enough licenses. So knowledge, Service Cloud offline is like a buffered Salesforce. So if you're flying over the ocean, for instance, I am a mobile user, make a setup landing page. So this is good if you're an admin like me. You allow forecasting right there. This I'm not going to enable because there's another custom forecasting function, but this is great to overlap with the forecasting. And I have a YouTube video on forecasting. Checkout enabled, meaning you can buy apps, let users buy certain apps. And then as far as the call center, this is the soft phone stuff like 1-800 your company or 1-800 Lederhosen Juergen. And then this is the soft phone set up here. I'm not using a lot of data. I don't have any permissions assigned. I don't have any activations. I'm not part of any public groups. I'm not part of any queue, meaning like a lead queue, like something comes in from a company in Stuttgart. I'm not part of a team. So if we enable team selling, that's where we're going to have a team or an opportunity team. Who's my manager? Not assigned. Third-party accounts, authentication for external systems, and here's my login. This is where you'll find in the login history with IP address if somebody's not doing their own work. All right, the other thing you need to look at is company profile. Let's see what we have. What's the company profile? Company profile, one, how many licenses? Just Salesforce, Chatter free, Chatter platform, Analytics Cloud Builder, -1. Interesting. Analytics Cloud Explorer, Sales Console. We don't have, look at that. We have 29 seats for Service Cloud. That's call center, right? That's service center. That would be great for an offshore team. We have Salesforce CRM content, okay. Content is with the knowledge, marketing user. I'm the marketing user. Let's see how our currencies are doing. US dollars and Indian rupees. And gets updated monthly. What are our language settings? We pretty much have them all, but we don't have, let's see if we have translation tables enabled. Translation settings. Ah, look at that. We do not. We only have Japanese enabled. Huh. Go figure. See, here we could enable and use the languages of the Hungarian, Polish, or the French. Do you see that? And that's how you check the org. So then, let's take a look at the other portion is apps. Connected apps. Now there's connected apps. There's an app menu. Let's see what we have. Okay, the data loader, Chatter, Workbench, Ant Migration Tool. Okay, so this is Salesforce org where basically they have Service Cloud. It's not being used. Let's take a look at connected apps. Okay, here we go. What are those are the apps that are authorized. Oh. Analytics, Chatter, Checkout, Data Loader. Nothing's particular. Oh, Partner Community. It's not too bad. Okay, what's the app menu? Do we have any third-party apps? Platform service, data cleanser. It's a pretty clean org. Oh, forecast navigator. This is interesting. Okay, that's it. And that's how you do it. Again, you look at the profile, right? You look at, for instance, my personal information profile. Then you look at company. So first under managed users, right? Then you look at company, and then you look at called create, and under create, they'll have apps, they'll have maybe some custom objects, but this is where you'll find it. Oh, what kind of packages do we have? We just have a Timba survey package. That's it.